Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this look right here using super affordable drugstore products. All of these products have been discussed in the last video, so if you have not checked it out yet, go check it out. And without further ado, let's start the video. So since I've already moisturized and prepped my skin, I'm directly going to go towards a primer. And for primer today, I am using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. And this I'm going to apply over the areas where I have textured skin and on my T-zone. Now whatever is left on my fingers, I'll apply it on my entire face. Now I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, because if there is any fallout, we can correct it up with the foundation later. So if you are a beginner, a great tip is to use sellotape so that your eye look is not messy. And I'll just take two small pieces of tape and apply it in line with my eyebrow and outer corner of the eye. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. You don't need to invest in any other separate primer. You can just use your concealer. And I'll just use my fingers to blend this out. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Nicka K Mocha Mix palette. And this is the only palette that I'm going to use for the entire eyeshadow look. Now I'm using a fluffy blending brush to take this dark brown eyeshadow. Take a little and then dust off the excess. You can always build it up later. Now just apply this shade on the outer V of your eyes and blend in circular motions towards the inner corner. Use these kind of swiping motions to blend your eyeshadow. I'm taking this lighter shade from the palette using another clean brush, and this I'll just apply on the crease to blend the earlier eyeshadow and create a seamless look. Finish off, I'm taking this shimmery shade. I'm just using my finger to take it, and I'll apply it on the center of my eyelid and then just spread it out. Now just take the first eyeshadow that we took and just apply a little bit again on the outer corner to define it, and then it will be done. And that's it. I'm going to repeat the same on my other eye, and then we'll remove the tapes and do the lower lash line. So both the eyes are done. Just remove the tape. And now I'll use a smaller brush and the same brown eyeshadow and apply it on the lower line. To finish off, I'm using the Plum Kajal as a eyeliner to slightly line my eyes. I'll use my fingers to smoke it out a little. And the eye makeup is done. Trust me, this won't take you more than 10 minutes. And I'll apply the mascara later. Now let's move on to the base. For my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Take a little bit at the back of your hand and then use your fingers to dot it all over your face. Now I'm using a Damn Beauty blender to press the foundation into my skin. If you are a beginner, I would recommend you to use a blender and not a brush, because it absorbs the excess product and it does not leave any streaks. So I'm applied very less foundation. If you're a beginner, you don't need a lot of foundation. In fact, you can totally skip a foundation and just use a concealer. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a no foundation makeup look. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to apply a very small quantity of it just on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes, and that's it. I'm using the beauty blender to blend this outwards. Now next step is eyebrows. As I've already mentioned in the last video, I don't have the Maybelline eyebrow pencil right now, so I'm using the sugar pencil. Use gentle upward strokes to fill your eyebrows and don't start at the corner here, otherwise your eyebrows look really fake. And don't draw a very stark outline of the eyebrows too, just use gentle motions to fill the eyebrow. Now to apply the mascara, always remove the excess and then look upwards and wiggle your mascara brush. Wait a few seconds before applying a second coat so that you don't get clumpy lashes. So you can see using a mascara just changes your eye look altogether. Now moving on to blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush. This is in a peach color which will go with the overall look. Now to apply the blush, just smile and apply it on your cheekbones. I don't know if it's picking on the camera, but this blush has small shimmer particles, so it gives a beautiful glow to the face. You can skip a highlighter after this if you want, but I'm going to use a sugar highlighter today. It's the shade Champagne Champion. If you don't know how to apply a highlighter, just follow the light that is hitting on your face and apply the highlighter on all those areas. So the first area to apply your highlighter is this. Next, take a little highlighter and apply it on the tip of your nose and a little on the bridge of the nose and a little bit on the chin area. I'm going to use the same highlighter and a small brush to highlight under my eyebrows and the inner corners. To finish off, I'm using the Nykaa Soap Creme lipstick. This is in the shade Wake Up Makeup. It's a nude brown shade. It will go very well with this look. To finish off, I'm using the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. This is of course an optional step. Another great tip is that you can apply some of the setting spray over your collarbone and then you can use some of the highlighter to make them pop. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you found this look super simple, and if you liked it, do let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know if you would like to see a no foundation makeup look, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye.